how to disable hardware acceleration on the Brave web browser. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can disable the hardware acceleration on your Brave web browser. So without further ado, let's get started. So open up your Brave web browser, and once you have opened it up, navigate to your upper right corner and click on this three line icon. Here, you have to scroll down a bit and then go to settings. Click on settings. Once you're here again, from this menu bar on the left hand side, scroll down and then click on system. Here you will have this toggle that says use graphics acceleration when available. Before it was used to call the hardware acceleration, but now it is updated to the graphics acceleration. So in order to disable, if it is toggled on, all you have to do is toggle it off. And with that, the graphics acceleration is turned off or disabled. If you want to enable, you have to go to relaunch. And that's how you can disable the hardware acceleration or the graphics acceleration on the Brave web browser. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.